Let me guess, you have no shortage of ideas, ability, or ambition, but somehow your space, your schedule, your decisions, and the things you keep meaning to get to, they've started to feel heavier than they should. Maybe you've tried the books, the bins, the apps, the courses, the planners, and maybe you've told yourself you'll finally get organized when things settle down. Maybe you've wondered why something that seems so simple keeps feeling so hard. Here's what I want you to know. You are not disorganized. You are not lazy. And you do not need to become a stricter, more disciplined version of yourself to make life work. Organizing doesn't have to be this hard. I'm Miriam Ortiz Pino, certified professional organizer, and after 30 years of helping smart, capable people simplify their spaces, decisions, and lives, I've learned that getting organized was never really about the stuff. The stuff is usually where the pressure shows up. The piles, the clutter, the unfinished projects, the things you keep because you might need them someday, the systems you started but never quite finished, the decisions you keep putting off because they feel bigger than they should. That's what we'll talk about here. This is Simple Enough, a show for entrepreneurs, creatives, and overthinkers who want a calmer, clearer way to organize their space, decisions, mindset, and live a life without forcing themselves into someone else's system. Each week, we'll look at what's making life feel harder than it needs to be and how to simplify it enough to live inside it. Not perfectly, not all at once, not according to someone else's rules. Just simple enough to start, simple enough to keep going, and simple enough to support the life and business you want. So, if you're tired of feeling buried by decisions, clutter, half-built systems, and the things you keep meaning to get to, you're in the right place. Follow Simple Enough wherever you listen to podcasts. And let's make organizing easier than you thought it could be.